Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials: a government photo ID, your social security number, and direct proof of fraudulent activity like bank statements or billing notices. Once done, open the FTC Identity Theft Report portal and choose whether you file for yourself or as an authorized representative. Make sure to have dates, account numbers, and creditor names ready to enter. This speeds the process and reduces errors. Then create the report, answer verification questions, and save the temporary confirmation code you receive. Next, you provide the detailed narrative. Explain what happened when it began and which accounts or tax forms were affected. Be specific. Cite transaction dates, amounts, and merchant names, because investigators use that to verify claims. Upload supporting documents like screenshots, bank statements, or a police report if you have one, and request an official identity theft affidavit for disputing charges. Make sure each attachment is legible. If a file fails to upload, reduce its size or convert to PDF, then reattach before you submit. Finally, submit your FTC identity theft report and immediately download the recovery plan and confirmation number. You will need these to dispute accounts and to show banks. Using the affidavit, contact each creditor to close or freeze accounts and request written confirmations. Place fraud alerts or a credit freeze with the 3 major credit bureaus and monitor your credit and accounts for at least a year. If you hit a snag, missing confirmation or upload errors, clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or call the FTC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.